cappuccino.
Put that one in there.
Thank you.
Now can I see your driver's license?
Yeah, of course.
Who booked your test? Was it your mum or?
Yeah, my mum did.
So it's definitely booked, yeah?
Yeah. I got emails. I'll get them off, I will show you. Haven't had one saying it's been cancelled, so.
Delacey. Wow, dude.
I know, my parents wanted to get me bullied. Yeah.
Good, yeah. Right, get yourself ready then.
Okay.
Today we've got Neve in for driving test, first attempt. She's got the 10th last day driving test, which is a horrible one to do. How are you feeling, Neve?
Yeah, I'm feeling okay.
Good. She had a final lesson yesterday.
Yeah.
I was going to say there was no serious faults, but there was one right at the end. Wasn't it?
After you said you've committed no serious
Yeah,
faults.
just a couple of minors for driving a bit slow and road position, that was it.
Yeah.
We're going to have a nice drive. Hopefully there'll be no faults recorded. Just all the manoeuvres and the control stop we haven't done yet, have we?
No. We know we have, yeah, I've done them all. Yeah.
Right. Right, go on then, off you go when you're ready. Now was anything we need?
Mirrors.
Got all them done, yeah?
Yeah, I might just adjust. It's just difficult to see, isn't it? It's so dull.
Fingers worth a car.
Yeah, I think that's good, and that's good, and that's good, yeah.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
Sure?
I think so.
It's a bit dark.
Yeah, it is. Right, headlights. That would be handy, wouldn't it?
Good. Really. And you're okay with following the standards, aren't you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've done practice and that.
Good. Did you sleep well?
I slept okay. Obviously not great because of the nerves, but...
What time did you get up?
6:20.
We want all gas clutch in the day.
Yeah.
No coasting.
Yeah.
What did the parents say last night? Any good vibes?
They were just like, just treat it as any normal driving lesson, kind of just don't overthink it. So hopefully we're fine. As I said, I think the more calm you are, the better it will do. So
Yes, that's...
the more I think about it, the more nervous I'll be.
Right. Now at the end of the road we're turning right.
Yeah.
Remember these tight bends this morning, yeah? Yeah, we come round, we didn't expect that to be there, did we?
No.
So it could be anything around these bends this morning, cyclists.
So it's better just go around in first gear then?
Second day, and then just as soon as you see the wagon clutch down and brake and do your roll first. So you got to ask yourself, just expect anything around these bends.
Yeah. Probably won't be coming around here on my test though, will I?
Possibly, yeah.
Okay. Great.
Follow the signs for constant. Yeah, if you're approaching lights today and you're doing about 30, when you get 3 or 4 bus lanes back, just take your foot off the gas and be ready.
Okay. When do you think they're going to do the manoeuvre?
Could be right at the start. Normally, sometimes right at the start on the 10 past 8 ones, because the car park's empty.
Okay. You know they flashed me to go?
Yeah.
Can I just wait?
One. If you're not sure,
Yeah.
but if you know exactly what you mean, then you can go, yeah? But don't you flash anybody.
No, I wouldn't.
Unless it's to warn people of your presence, yeah?
Yeah.
But if the guideline is, look, somebody flashed you the other day and you know it's safe to do,
Yeah.
to go, and you've checked, you know what they mean, then you go, yeah?
Yeah.
But if you're not sure, don't go.
Okay. How do I actually flash someone?
Pull it towards you on the left hand side.
Okay.
So when there's no cars coming, try it. Just pull the stone towards you. Left hand side. That's it.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Nervous now. Ugh. I feel nervous.
Remember what your mum said. Stop there, then pull it up. When would you put your rear fog lights on?
If visibility is less than 100 metres.
Yep. And how would you put them on?
So let me just do this one.
Podcast on.
Rear fog lights would be. Is it here? Those ones?
Put your lights back on. 2 clicks to the right. You just see you put the lights on and press the fog button, yeah?
Which one? This
The
one?
fog button's to the left, but you don't need to tell where it's at. Just here. I put my dip lights on and press the fog button, yeah?
Yeah.
100 metres. And you should be further over there, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be following the curb around into first.
Okay.
How would you check your brake lights?
And press the brake down and use the reflections of other cars. I do not like this.
Yeah, it's a strange one. Right, we'll have a practice reversal of gear, yeah? Is it cool? I'm sweating like mad.
I'm freezing.
Hmm?
I'm freezing.
I'm sweating with nerves.
You're nervous?
Yeah.
How are you nervous?
I always get nervous.
Oh, I don't want to do this. I want to go home. Oh god. Okay. Right.
Right, so you drove one in, one on the right, driving one down there on the left for us.
Okay.
Time to wish Neve the very best of luck. The hour before's not as good as what we normally like. I think she's a bit nervous, aren't you?
Yeah.
But she's going to do it. She's got the skills to do it. She's got to take on board what her mum says and just stay calm. Right, have any questions?
Nope.
Right, go on, run up. Now we said you want your trainer to come with you, say no. Now
Yep.
we said you want him there at the end, say yes. You got that?
Trying to come with you now, yeah.
Yes, I want to listen to the end, yeah?
Yep.
Right. Go and run up them stairs. Oh,
Let's grab my bag.
yeah, it's down there. We're back from test. Tell them what you've done, Neve.
I passed.
She's passed how many faults?
4.
What were the 4?
It was on a kind of, when turning around the junction, I didn't leave him quite enough room.
She went a bit too far in.
Yeah, I think I did, yeah.
Minor fault for when you turned left this morning. It says you need to keep
Yeah.
going, didn't it?
Yeah,
Didn't the
yeah.
same fault.
Yeah.
And what else was there?
On a roundabout, I signalled left, I think.
Yeah,
too
when it
early,
said
I think.
turn left second exit, didn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Did the sat nav say that?
I'm not quite sure, I can't remember.
Can you not?
No, I think, yeah, no, I think the sat nav was saying it and I just immediately put on my left signal. But then I think I turned off, so it was
Oh,
okay.
well done. What was the driving exam like? Tell
He
them
was lovely, he was really nice.
Was he?
I did my parking
Yeah,
right at the beginning,
I
it was
know.
at Ford Bay, and then he kind of was quite chatty to me along the way.
Really nice, isn't he?
Yeah, and my show me tell me's
Yes.
were, so the show me was the washing the front windscreen, and the tell me was the head restraint, so they were quite nice and easy ones.
Good. Did
Yeah.
you do the emergency stop?
No, we just did for Ford Bay.
You had me worried this morning.
Yeah, I was worried. Can't lie, I was very worried.
What's it feel like to pass?
Oh my god.
Good
So
feeling, isn't it?
good. So good. I'm honestly, I'm so happy.
It's an amazing feeling, isn't it?
Such good. And only with 4 minor faults, which I just was, I literally was, cause in my first mock test, I got 4 serious and 14 minors. And that was literally like a week ago. So I don't know how I've gone from that to then passing with 4 minors. But
Doing well done.
I would recommend to anyone. I watched your mock test last night.
Did you?
Before I went to sleep.
Yeah.
One of your mock tests, and it was actually really useful.
They're helpful, aren't they?
Just because there were some things which she did, which I was like, oh, okay, right, I just need to make sure I don't do that.
And you said it was a nice drive, didn't you?
Mhm.
Cool.
Yeah.
They were
I
the
think
experts.
you can kind of tell, like, if they're chatting, because he was initiating conversation
Yes.
rather than me. So he was like, I feel like he felt quite comfortable.
That's correct.
Oh, I'm so chuffed with that.
Yeah.
I never have to do that again.
Would you like to do that again?
No, never. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm like,
Are you still going into Durham to get your hot chocolate?
oh, I think I'm going back to college first,
Yeah.
and then walk in after my lecture.